Back in February of 2017, Charlottesville City Council voted to remove the statue of Confederate General Robert E. Lee from a downtown park. In response to that vote by council, the loyal white knights of the Ku Klux Klan went to Charlottesville under heavy police protection to stand up for their heritage and defend the removal of the statue dedicated to their beloved hero, Robert E. Lee.
Well, we're protesting the destruction of our monuments that represent the white man's spirit to resist tyranny and oppression. And that's what this is all about, resisting this tyranny and this oppression out here that hates us because we're white.
The very next month, the largest gathering of white supremacists in decades converged onto the peaceful city of Charlottesville to defend the statue and protest its removal. But in their wake, they left carnage, assaulting innocent men and women and ultimately killing 32-year-old paralegal and anti-racist protester Heather Heyer. The month following the Lee statue defenders' vicious and murderous assault on Charlottesville, Charlottesville City Council voted unanimously to also remove the statue of Confederate General Stonewall Jackson, which is located in another downtown park. Before the white supremacists used their violence to show their love and support for Lee, another group against the removal of the statues took their fight to the courts. In March of 2017, Friends of Charlottesville Monuments, the Monument Fund, and the Virginia Division of the Sons of Confederate Veterans filed a lawsuit to stop the city from removing the statue of Robert E. Lee, and then later filed a motion to include the Stonewall Jackson Monument in their suit as well. The motion was granted by Charlottesville Circuit Court Judge Richard Moore. Yesterday, January 14th, 2019, the three-day trial for the lawsuit was scheduled to begin, but was delayed by Judge Moore. The plaintiffs claim that a state law protecting war monuments protects the statues from being removed or destroyed. The trial could be heard as early as March or as late as September. The plaintiffs are also asking the judge to make it possible for each defendant to be held liable for their votes to remove the statues, which will allow the plaintiffs to go after each defendant's finances if their suit is victorious in court. Another huge change, this will now be a jury trial and not a bench trial. This case is expected to roil on for years to come, because regardless of the ruling, the losing side is all but certain to file an appeal. In Charlottesville, Theodore Whitelow, Breaking Through News.